Number 18. Determine the product of the binomials. I prefer the graphic organizer, so that is how I'm going to do 18 all parts. And just because of room, I'm going to go ahead and work this on another piece of paper. We have x, -7, x, -5. This gives me x squared, -7x, -5x, +35. So this is going to be x squared. These two combined is going to be -12x and +35. X squared minus 12x plus 35. Let's take a look at B. B says, again, I'm going to create my box. X minus 7. And here we've got x and +5. That's x squared, -7x, +5x, and -35. So here we have x squared. -7 plus 5 is a -2x. And we have -35 here. So we have x squared minus 2x minus 35. Let's take a look at C. C says, going to create my box. We've got x with a +7, x with a +5. That gives me x squared, 7x, 5x, +35. We get x squared. Both of those are positive, so that's going to be 12x and a +35 here at the end for my constant term. X squared plus 12x plus 35. All right. Going to take a look at D. We have x, a +7, x, a -5. So that's going to be x squared, +7x, -5x, -35. We have x squared. One's positive, one's negative, so we're going to subtract, but the bigger of the two is positive, so we got plus 2x, and we have a -35. So final answer to D is going to be x squared plus 2x minus 35. E. Here we have 4x and +1 and x and 3. Well, 4x and x is 4x squared. X and 1 is x. 4x and 3 is 12x. And 1 and 3 is 3. I have 4x squared. I have 1x and 12x, so that's 13x total, and a +3. So this is going to be, I'm going to write that over here, 4x squared, 13x, 3. Now we're going to work on f. F has got 2x and a negative 1, and 3x and a positive 2. Okay, 3x and 2x is 6x squared. 3x and negative 1 is negative 3x. 2 and 2x is 4x. And 2 and negative 1 is negative 2. I have 6x squared. I have a positive 4 and a negative 3, so that's a positive x. And then I have negative 2 here. So 6x squared plus x minus 2. Number 19. Examine the products in item 18. How can you predict the sign of the last term? Notice that if the signs of the constant terms So if the signs of the last terms and the factors are the same, the last term is positive. If the signs of the last terms and the factors are different, the last term is negative. So they were the same, positive. They were different, negative. They were different. They were the same, positive. Different gave me a negative. Same, positive. Different, negative. Go ahead and take a moment to write down the answers to number 18 and 19. And that will end our lesson here.